to another video here at YouTube, and today we'll be doing another video for you guys. And this one goes to all the tech stuff nerds out there like me. Dahil ako mahilig ako sa mga gadgets, and I think a lot of our viewers, kahit na mahilig kayo sa mga beauty or makeup, I think there is also a side of you na mahilig din maghanap ng mga items na hindi madalas makita sa mall, na nakikita nyo lang sa online. Especially, mahilig ako sa mga items na kakaiba. Mahilig ako maghanap, lalo na pag nagbabrowse ako, na meron palang certain product na ganito na hindi ko alam na existing pala. Pero, napakalaking tulong nito sa akin. And I really want to share this one with you guys. So, I'll be giving you my top 5 gadget picks that I think would be useful, or maybe you can have fun with it if you like. So, if you want to know more about this, then keep on watching. Hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy, guys, and I'll be moving on to our first pick, and I love this so much. And since I am a singer, and mahilig ako kumanta, minsan namang problema ako kung paano ako magre-rehearse, kasi minsan iba ang tunog pag nasa mic ka talaga, dahil iba yung mabibigay na justice pag nasa mic. When I found this one, actually meron ako nakita mga friends nito that has this, and this mic, madali lang siyang gawin, and meron kang kasamang casing when you buy this. And meron din siyang mga wire, pero yung mga wire hindi ko na sinama. There are cord na kinakabit lang dito sa ilalim ng microphone, and then you can put it on your iPhone or your Android phone. So, just on the tip of your fingers, karaoke ka na, and you can even put your headphones on and mag-karaoke ka buong araw. And this is really perfect doon sa, lalo na tayo mga Pilipino na mahilig kumanta, and you can actually adjust the treble and the bass, as well as the volume and the echo. Actually, may isang version na ganito na nasa ilalim ng speaker, but I really find this one very sturdy, at dahil nandito ang speakers niya sa dalawang gilid, I think mas maganda dahil malapit sa tenga at hindi sa ilalim yung tunog. Nandito rin yung charging niya, and there's another USB port, but I don't know how to use this one yet. Pero so far, you can also use your Bluetooth if you don't have the cord with you. Eventually, habang habang nag-record ka ng kanta mo using Smule, this is perfect for you. Alam ko, guys, marami sa inyo ang mahilig manood ng YouTube. How you wish na you could watch what you're watching on your cell phone at mapapanood nyo sa TV ninyo. I know it's gonna be expensive if you buy smart TV. Yung smart TV ngayon, it will cost you thousands of pesos para na makabili. But fret no more, because using your cell phone and using this gadget, you can turn any television na may HDMI into a smart TV. Here's my favorite gadget, and this is Anycast. So, ito yung Anycast, guys. Ito ay kinakabit lang sa likod ng television, and ikinakabit to sa USB. Usually, yung mga TV natin ngayon may HDMI port and merong USB on the side. Pero kung wala kayong USB, you can actually plug it in sa normal plug sa bahay, kahit yung mga saksakan ninyo doon. Kakapitan nyo lang siya ng adapter ng pang cellphone or whatever, and then you can plug it there. Kasi kailangan niya ng electricity or power para mag-power up itong Anycast na to. And set it up. May instruction naman doon, guys, on how to set up the Anycast. Iko-connect nyo lang bali yung internet ninyo sa bahay. If you have a Wi-Fi sa bahay ninyo, you can actually just connect your Wi-Fi to this one and then connect it here. Actually, may instructions there, so you don't have to worry dahil madali lang siyang sundin. And then after a while, you just have to get your phone and then i-connect nyo lang sa Anycast as a Wi-Fi, the usual Wi-Fi that you have, and then there you go. So that's how easy it is to turn any of your cell phone and your television into a smart TV. My third pick, gadget pick that I really love and really enjoy. Actually, hindi ko alam kung marami na sa inyong may alam nito, pero I think some of you guys have already tried it. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Some of you may not think that this one is very useful, pero I love this dahil ito ay isang VR box, and it's quite new pa, meron pa plastic dito. Pero I've already tried this one before from a friend, and I really love this kasi you can turn any of your cell phone here, and then you just have to put it on this side and just look sa YouTube kung ano yung mga VR videos na you want, like horror. Ako mahilig ako sa horror, guys. So, what I do, I just look it up on my cellphone sa YouTube na may VR. Ito ang ginagawa ko, gagalagay ko siya dyan, and then, papasok ko lang siya dito sa loob. And then I just have to put it here. Ganyan, o diba? Para ako alien. This is one of my favorite gadgets so far din kasi nakaka-entertain, namili ko sa horror. Dahil talaga, syempre virtual reality, and then you can move around pag 360, di ba? So nakikita mo yung buong paligid. So it's as if natotoo talaga siya, and maririnig mo yung sound, and malapit dito. So kulo. And this is my fourth pick, guys. Sobrang favorite ko tong laruan na to. This is for another entertainment purposes only. And this one, you can actually try this and buy this one. This is actually a small drone with camera in it. Pero guys, beware dahil yung camera nito hindi naman to tipong pang HD or 1080p. Ito ay parang VGA or pang ano lang, tipong pang cellphone na sinauna, yung pang kopong-kopong. Kaya beware guys, baka expect nyo na yung video na ito sobrang linaw. Pero ang nakakatuwa dito kasi it's like you have a small drone na pwede nyo pag-practicean. If you're wanting to buy a professional drone, then I think if you're a starter, I think this is good for you guys dahil matututunan nyo kung paano ninyo laruin or paano i-glide yung drones ninyo. At least kung ito masira, napakamura lang nito guys. So kung at least ito man ay masira, at least hindi yung professional drone yung masira ninyo, at least ma-practice ninyo dito sa small drone na to. This one takes flight for only 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, I think. But max is 15. Pero sa akin, tumatagal lang to ng 10 minutes pag tuloy-tuloy. What I love about this is you can actually use your cell phone, especially iPhone, to navigate or makita ninyo yung ginagawa nyo dito. So kung nandito yung camera ninyo, nakikita nyo kung saan siya pumupunta. You can even take pictures with it, pero hindi nga lang ganong kalinaw. And you can even take videos of it as well. Meron siyang kasamang charger. Ilalagay nyo lang siya sa likod. Nandito sa likod yung charger. May ikakabit lang kayo dyan. Yung 1 hour charging time niya is good for 10 to 15 minutes of flying. And it comes with this. So, ang ginagawa naman ito is, kung ayaw mo nang may camera, kung ayaw mo makita, gusto mo lang siya paliparin, you can actually just use this one. And then, kakabitan mo lang siya ng battery. So, this is how you do it, guys. So, i-on ko siya, guys. Ganito yung itsura niya. So, ganyan siya. And actually practice doing that. So kung mahilig kayong mag-aral ng drone, ayan. Ganyan siya. Nakakatuwa siya, nakakalibang din. So, atras na po. So, with just one click, and then bababa na siya. So that's how you do your drone. A lot of you guys will be interested in getting that. Sobrang fun. My last gadget pick that I really love. Sobrang lame na to, pero I will admit sobrang lifesaver to sa akin dahil itong power bank na to. This one has been with me for almost a year na, and naging lifesaver to sa akin. Actually, dati hindi talaga ako nagpa-power bank, pero nung nagkaroon ako nito, pag nalobat ako at wala akong mapag-charge dyan, lalo na pag nasa labas, ito talaga lahat. Even yung cellphone ko, yung pocket wifi, lahat. So ito, sobrang natutuwa talaga ako dito dahil aside from being a charger, flashlight pa siya. So, sobrang all-in-one to. Pang-emergency talaga to. And I think this is perfect as well. I think doon sa mga wala pang ganito, you better get one of these as well. Especially ngayon na pag may mga emergency, especially kung may mga disaster na paparating, na hindi natin masabi, like lindol, ulan, bagyo, pag nag-brown out or anything, blackout, ito na malaking tulong talaga to. Dahil it will save you a lot of time and stress as well dahil hindi nyo kailangan mag-isip kung paano mag-charge. Pero just make sure na when you're not using it, itatabi nyo lang siya, and kung magamit mo man siya, kailangan naka-charge siya lagi. So that's my top 5 gadget picks that I think you guys will enjoy and you guys will also benefit from, dahil alam ko marami rin sa inyo ang matutuwa sa mga ganitong klaseng items. And I got this, all of this, I got this from Lazada. Kasi ako talaga fan ako ni Lazada dahil may mga items talaga doon na hindi mo akalain na nag-e-exist, na meron pala talagang ganun doon. I'm not really sure how much na sila ngayon dahil nung pinili ko sila, sobrang tagal na. Pero I'll try to remember, and if not, hindi ko na sila malagay sa description box. Just go directly to Lazada and find the items na lang there. And I'm also happy to share with you guys that you can actually save more, especially sa ating mga viewers na budget conscious. this one is perfect for you. You can actually check this one out, www.picory.com/ph/. So I will put the website link on the description box below, and then click it right away. And this is not limited only to Lazada, guys. They also cater to a lot of shops. Imagine 200 plus na shops and stores online na pwede nyo gamitin yung mga discount codes and promo codes. You can actually check out Zalora, Philippine Airlines, Abençons, etc. etc. Marami doon listings. Etong drone na to, I actually save 100 pesos doon dahil ginamit ko yung promo code nila. And if you are also using credit card, or if you want to join a raffle for a trip somewhere, you can actually just get the code and then put it right there doon sa Lazada, sa slash off, makakasave pa kayo. And if you have the same love for these things, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe on this channel, follow us on our social media accounts. So kung may mga items kayo, mga tech items kayo na gustong ipatry sa akin, especially those things that I can find in Lazada, then better let me know on the comment box below kung ano yung mga items na yun. And as long na mura siya at affordable at kaya ng budget ko, then I'll buy it, and then I'll try to make a review for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on our next Tech Talk. So have a great morning, guys.